In a world where machines can learn, predict, and even create, where does humanity fit in? Whether you're an aspiring AI engineer, a curious student, or just someone fascinated by the future, this video is your guide to understanding and mastering AI. Let's unlock the mysteries of artificial intelligence together. In 1997, the world watched in awe as a machine named Deep Blue defeated the reigning world chess champion, Garry Kasparov. This was one of the first high-profile demonstrations of the potential of artificial intelligence. Fast forward to today, and artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere, from self-driving cars and facial recognition systems, to predicting diseases and even creating art. AI is modeled after our own brain, learning from experiences, adapting to new inputs, and performing human-like tasks. It's fascinating, but how do we actually learn this technology? AI may seem daunting at first, but don't worry. We're here to break it down and make it accessible to you. First, a strong foundation in math and programming is key. Python is the most widely used language in AI, but languages like R, Java, and C++ are also used. Online platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, and edX offer courses for beginners. Don't worry if you find it challenging at first. Remember, even Deep Blue started with the basics. Once you've mastered the basics of coding, you'll want to delve into machine learning, a subset of AI that focuses on the idea of learning from data. Remember when Google's AlphaGo defeated the world champion Go player in 2016? That was a landmark moment for machine learning. Here's where it gets interesting. Machine learning models, like our brains, learn by experience. They learn to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. There are many paths to learn AI, through online courses, university programs, or even self-study. Renowned AI experts like Andrew Ng and Fei-Fei Li have made their lectures available online for free. Attending AI conferences and meetups, participating in hackathons, and joining AI communities can also provide invaluable practical experience and networking opportunities. AI is shaping the future of almost every industry. Whether it's predicting stock markets, diagnosing diseases earlier, creating realistic video game characters, or even combating climate change, the possibilities are endless. Learning AI is like learning a new language. It takes time, patience, and practice. But once you've mastered it, you'll be speaking the language of the future. So, are you ready to step into the future? Your AI journey begins here and now. As you venture forth, remember, every expert was once a beginner. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and continue to learn and grow.